Hello guys, welcome to Media City Top 5 News Hours. The Election Commission has asked the authorities in Polbond, Bihar for expediting the search and seizure operation to ensure free and fair assembly polls in the state, an official said. The directions were issued by the poll panel on Friday during a meeting with the observers of the 78 assembly constituencies going to polls in the first round of the three-phase Bihar polls on October 28. Additional Chief Electoral Officer Sanjay Kumar Singh said at a press briefing here. Chief Election Commissioner Sunil Arora and two other election commissioners, Sushil Chandra and Rajiv Kumar, held the meeting online. In a bid to address the shortfall in the GST collection during the current fiscal, the Centre has evolved a special borrowing window in which the Ministry of Finance has borrowed and transferred Rs 6,000 crore as the first tranche to 16 states and 2 union territories including Assam, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Bihar, Delhi and Jammu and Kashmir. All these states and union territories have opted for this special window involving back-to-back borrowing coordinated by the Ministry of Finance. However, of these, 5 states did not have any shortfall on account of GST compensation. Quad comprising Japan, India, Australia and the United States is not an alliance but a grouping of countries driven by shared interests and values and interested in strengthening a rules-based order in the strategically important Indo-Pacific region, a senior Trump administration official has said. The 4 countries had in 2017 given shape to the long-pending proposal of setting up the Quad or the Quadrilateral Coalition to counter China's aggressive behavior in the Indo-Pacific region. The monsoon is likely to withdraw completely in the next 2 to 3 days as the northeast monsoon is likely to commence over peninsular India by October 28. This would mean mostly dry condition in the rest of the country. Islamabad, October 24, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan has said that peace in Afghanistan will benefit the two neighbors by opening new avenues for cooperation and enhanced connectivity with other Central Asian countries. Khan made the remarks during talks on Friday with Mr. Rahman Rahmani, Speaker of the Volsky Jirha or lower house of the Afghan Parliament and the latest delegation in Islamabad. Now, let's wind up for the day. This is Media City Top 5 News Hours. Thank you and have a wonderful day.